Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I made this simple yummy butter or sponge cake. So guys, if you want to see how I made this cake, do not go away, keep on watching. So I will be writing the ingredients on the screen for you to see, while I will leave the quantity I used in the description box below. Please check it out. Try to use soft butter for easy mixing. Also, you don't have to mix this with your hands. You can use a mixer. I was just kind of lazy to clean up the mixer. That's why I'm using my hand. And moreover, I am making a little quantity. Mix until it gets fluffy.
She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate.
I added 3 eggs.
She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the blow.
And I added in my milk.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man.
I added vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor you like. I added baking powder, half tablespoon. So here I'm going to start adding in my all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be sieving it. Some people don't sieve it, it's your choice, but I prefer it sieved. Like I said, I'll leave the quantity in the description box below.
I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing.
So mix together until you get a nice and smooth consistency. So here is the consistency I want, not too light and not too thick, because I don't want a hard cake. Next, grease your baking pan with some margarine or butter for the cake not to stick. Pour in your paste. Now get it into the oven. My oven has been set for 180. Bake for at least another 30 to 45 minutes. And here it is. After about 45 minutes, my cake is ready, nice and soft. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.